Hi my elegant successful people. In today's video we shall be discussing about few crucial dining etiquette. Always place the dip on your plate while you have others dining with you. Cut bite-sized pieces and enjoy it with the dip. Do not pick the whole stick and gulp it in one go. Never pick up food directly from the serving dish and eat it. If you are alone or have the dish to yourself, then you may use the dip directly. Place the food item on your plate and break it into bite-sized pieces using the dip. Always pick up the food from the serving plate with an unused spoon. Avoid a used spoon so that the others can also share that dish. Make sure to place the dip on the side of your plate and do not eat it directly from the serving plate. Please share this video with all your friends and family. If you are taking a break, let your server know by placing your silverware in an A shape as shown in the video. Always pick up a slice of pizza from the serving plate and place it on your plate. Do not directly take a bite of the pizza as soon as you pick it up. While eating a pizza slice, always hold it as shown in the video and then take a bite. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please click on the subscribe button. Until I see you next, keep smiling, keep shining.